We are in Key West, Florida. We're at the Keys. We're about to take a picture at the mile zero for the end of Highway 1 / beginning of Highway 1. I don't know which one. Depending on which side of the street you're on, depends on which side it says you're at the beginning or end. So we're about to do that, and we plan on seeing the southernmost point pretty soon too. So stay tuned. We're at the southernmost point, and check out that iguana. Wow. We've been seeing them like everywhere. They're huge here. It's pretty cool. We're on Duval Street doing some shopping because I like shopping. And we're just kind of walking. It's really pretty. It's a nice day, which is great. We thought it was going to rain because a tropical storm was supposed to be hitting, but it hit a little early, so that's really awesome. Yeah, getting some souvenirs for some friends and family, and just kind of enjoying the scenery. We are mainly just walking. A lot of people are getting golf carts and mopeds and bikes and stuff, but there's not that much that we really want to do here today, so we figured why not just walk. I feel like I see more when I walk than whenever I drive, so we're just doing that. My sister likes key lime pie, so the key lime shop, here we come. What do you think about the key lime pie from the key lime shop?
It's good. It's quite tart. It's very pretty.
It is very pretty.
But it is good, but you can tell the key limes are a little different.
Yep.
They're a lot more tart here than at home, but it's good. Perfect key lime pie. I suggest you try it.
So we're still just walking down Duval Street, checking everything out. I did some damage at the Coach store. They have an amazing sale, and I highly recommend coming by this Coach factory store if you're in Key West. I didn't even know it was here, and I love Coach, so you gotta stop by. I got jewelry, shoes, so excited. And I have the best sisters ever, just saying.
Pretty cool spot.
It is. We're at Sloppy Joe's. Ernest Hemingway used to like to hang out here. His buddy owned it, and Hemingway told him he should change the name to Sloppy Joe's because the owner's name was Joe, and the floor was always like messy with melted ice. So then we should change the name, and they did. This is not the original location. They moved it, but they never even closed down on the news. That's pretty cool. They have at least 3 bands every day on the stage. The dance floor is usually always packed. The bar is usually always packed. If you're here in July, they have a look-alike contest for Hemingway. That's pretty cool. The original Sloppy Joe's. This is where it was before it moved across the street. So this is where everyone would actually hang out. Pretty cool. And all the famous people who have visited here, their names are on the bar stools. Pretty cool. You know, like all the money everywhere. Live music, love it. Now we're going to the world's smallest bar. It's that the one with the little yellow top on it right there. Ooh, they have a lot of frozen drinks. Here it is. Here we go. This is the Ernest Hemingway Home and Museum. It's the writer Ernest Hemingway residence in the 30s. It is now a museum with lovely gardens, still patrolled by more than 40 descendants of the author. So this is something you can tour if you're interested. I've heard it's pretty good. No credit cards though, so if you want to come here, make sure you have cash. Here's the oldest house in Key West. Ta-da!
Look at it.
No, it doesn't at all. They've done a really good job like keeping it up.
The 1820s.
There's a Hard Rock.
A what?
Hard Rock.
Oh yeah. And there's a
Fat
Margaritaville.
Tuesdays.
A Fat Tuesday.
I shouldn't have got
Why
this.
do we have Starbucks?
I know. I'm going.
Mallory Square. So everything here is like local made, and this is where you can get punch fritters. There's also the trolleys. We chose not to do the trolley because they said when you're waiting on the trolley from one tourist point to the next, you could have just walked there just as quick. So we're kind of like, nah, never mind. We'll just walk. But if walking wasn't an option for you or not something you're interested in, it's a solid option. So yeah, Shell Warehouse, little market, pretty cool. Just trying to get the bird watch. Is she gonna get it? Oh, she's feeling a bit defeated. Oh, is she gonna try again? Tippy toes. Tippy toes. I don't think it's gonna happen. We are at Blue Heaven and our food is great.
Really good.
Yeah. And really the prices are pretty good. You can sit outside, but they have like a fan and they have umbrellas and stuff covering.
And a stray cat.
They do have a stray cat. And they say there's some roosters around here. But that's kind of Key West theme, is what we've noticed. They're everywhere. So yeah, we really like it. Definitely recommend it. It's closer to the southernmost point rather than all the bars on Duval. So definitely
Check it out.
Check it out. We're at the Harry Truman Little White House. It's in the Truman Annex. It's really cute. Harry S. Truman, oh duh. Feel free to laugh at me. I knew that too. Look, it's big. Both of those. Oh, it's even got a little park. That's cute.
It was the winter White House for this country's 33rd president. Truman spent 175 days during 13 vacations in the home that is filled with original furnishings and memorabilia from Truman's days. Presidents Taft, Eisenhower, Kennedy, Carter, and Clinton also used the home.
Pretty neat. You can take tours if you want. Or not, but you can if you want. Back from Key West, and we have a little froggy friend. And we're watching the people because we're port side. Rach is reading in the window.
Just kind of a chill day. Walk around and look.
Yep. And yeah, I videoed that. I videoed like pretty much everything we did other than shopping.
Yeah.
Which a lot of the shops were like no cameras inside. I don't know why. It wasn't anything special.
No.
Oh well. But
a crew member got left. Or
we think so. The boat
Yeah.
left an hour late because they said after waiting 50 minutes, they were going to wait 15 more minutes. And after that, they were leaving because they came over and said it's a crew member, which we figured because when they were paging, they were like paging crew member and saying the name. So
really curious.
we like asked our server like what happens, which we had the most amazing servers. They're all good, but this one she was just so amazing. And we asked her like what happens, and she was like, I don't know, but I'm afraid it's my friend. It's like she had someone go check. But now we're gonna go to the Country Road show, so you won't be able to see that. But after that's a Mardi Gras party, so I'll film a little bit of that, and then a Lido deck party.
It's gonna be a fun
And
night.
a Serenity party. It is. It'll be a long night, but a fun night.
Yeah.
We're at the Mardi Gras party. Sorry if you're wearing headphones.
So first, you did a great job. Give it up for Jason, everybody. Jason, and then one time you have 5 seconds to cheer, and then when I get to 0, you would be great. So I'm gonna go here first. Who said it should be Mario? Who said it should be Freddy? Yeah, you did a great job, man. All right, great job. Give it up for him, everyone. Mario did a great job. But your king is gonna be Freddy! Playing all the tunes for this deck party and all
We are at
cruise
the
long.
mega
Right now,
deck
we've got
party.
Ty and we've got Lexi.
Really crowded, really
side, I want you to make some noise. Blue iguanas!